Let's learn how to turn off sensitive content on Telegram. If you want to know how to turn off sensitive content on Telegram, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. If you're using a computer, open the Telegram app. But if you are on a phone, close the app and open a web browser. On iPhone, use Safari. On Android, you can use Chrome or any other browser. Type in web.telegram.org in the address bar and sign in to your account. Once signed in, click on the three lines at the top left corner, then navigate to Settings. Here, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Sensitive Content, then click on Disable Filtering. This will allow you to view sensitive content. After making these changes, restart the app to ensure the settings are updated. Simply close the app from the app switcher and reopen it. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.